Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today we are going to talk about a brand new method how you can actually make money online in passive income. You're going to get paid in PayPal money, and it is not going to be any affiliate marketing nor YouTube. So if those two things are something that you don't want to go through, then this is the right video for you. Now guys, this is a brand new method that was never talked about on this channel, so I'm super excited to do this video. Hope you are as well. Guys, if you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if this is something you are interested in, consider subscribing, and if you will like the video and you will get some value from it, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information to as many people as we possibly can. Guys, before we get into the whole today's topic, if you are interested in how I make money online in affiliate marketing on a daily basis, then I have a free video where I explain it in great detail and show you exactly how you can actually do it on your own. So if you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. Guys, without further ado, let's get straight into our today's topic. So as you can see, I'm in front of my laptop, right? And first of all, as I already mentioned in the introduction, we are going to use PayPal. So if you don't have your PayPal account, you need to create one right now. All right, so it's super easy to do. As you can see here, we are on the paypal.com website. Here are all the countries where PayPal is available. All right, so there's a big chance that your country is there as well. So the only thing that you need to do is click on this sign up button over here. And then you just want to choose the personal account, all right? Click next, and then you just need to, fill in the details of your name, and all of those sorts of things. Nothing extraordinary, all right? It is very easy to do. I'm not going to waste the time on this video for this, all right? So once you do have your PayPal account, all right, then we are going to use a trick, all right? A website, another platform, and it is none other than Google itself, all right? Yes, you heard it right. So what we want to do is we want to use Google in a certain way, all right? I'm going to show you a little bit of a small trick, all right, right now. And what we want to do is we want to look for pictures that we are going to use later on. All right, so you want to type in and search something for like cute puppies, cute dogs, or something like that, like a nice picture that people generally like, all right, that are popular among people. All right, and now before you go into downloading any of these photos, what we want to do is we want to click on these tools over here, and then you want to click on the usage rights and click on the Creative Commons licenses, right? Now guys, what we just did is that Google filters for us pictures that are free to use, royalty-free pictures, right? And that means that we can upload it, we can sell these photos, we can make money on them, and nobody is going to sue us, or nobody is going to ask you for copyrights and all of that stuff, all right? And that's exactly what we want, because we really don't want to risk anything, all right? There's a abundance of pictures like this, so safety is first. So here we are, any of these photos that we now see, we can use in whatever way we want, all right? So you want to choose the pictures that you really like, all right, that are really nice, all right, that are cute, that you would probably think that people would like to see, all right, and they would like to view these kind of photos. So once you choose those, all right, then you just want to click on it, literally just download it as you would normally do, all right? Save image as, and that's it. You want to download around, let's say 5 to 10 pictures for the start, all right? Then what you can do, you can go for something like scenery, all right, like a nature, all right, pictures. And again, you want to use the Creative Commons license. This is very key. This is a big key, all right? Use this, otherwise you can get copyright something. So use this. Okay, again, something people love these kind of pictures, like the sceneries, all right, the nature and all of this stuff. So again, do exactly the same process. Choose the pictures, all right, download them, and then once you have enough photos, then we are going to go into our third platform, which is called Click a Snap. All right, clickasnap.com is a website where, as you can see over here, it pays to share. All right, which means those pictures that we just downloaded from Google, we are going to upload it onto this platform. All right, and we are actually going to get paid when people view these photos. All right, the key word over here is view, not download, not buy or anything. It's per view. All right, which is really key. Now here is how it actually works. All right, get paid when your photos are reviewed. ClickerSnap is the only photo sharing platform in the world where you get paid when your photos are viewed. Plus it's free to sign up. All right, now guys, this is a very key. Okay, again, view. As you can see over here, here is 70 cents paid per photo view. All right, now I know that around maybe 2 months ago, this was, instead of 70 cents, 40 cents. So this website, the ClickerSnap whole platform, literally is blowing up right now. All right, and it is really good to hop on this train right now. It's really blowing up, like literally in 2 months, almost double the price. All right, this is really great. Now, as you can see, minimum payout is $15, which is not, anything like the best ones. All right, but it is still manageable when you think about it, that 70 cents is per one view. Right, we can manage to do that. Now this website generally has, as they say, images viewed per day. It's 2 million. All right, so this is really good. Now, just to let you know and show you exactly what we can expect. All right, I'm going to be showing you on a SimilarWeb. All right, SimilarWeb.com. This is a platform where you can analyze any website on the internet. All right, and as you can see here, we have the estimated data. All right, and here are total visits. All right, as you can see, total visits are 2,360,000 people. Right, on average. So this is huge numbers. Right, huge numbers, and you can see, the bounce rate is 50%, which means, people are actually browsing on the website as well. So they check one and then one picture, then they check maybe second one, and so on and so forth. So this is really important. It's 2 million views, 2 million visits. So your picture, there is a huge chance that your pictures are going to get thousands, hundreds and thousands of views. All right, on a regular basis. Now, again, this is not, you are not getting paid for download. You are not getting paid for purchase or selling. You are getting paid per photo view. Right, so people literally will just view your photo, and that's it. Now, why they are going to get you are going to get paid for photo view is that once the person is going to view the photo, there is going to be a whole bunch of ads on the sides of the photo. All right, and this platform is going to share the ad revenue from these ads between you and themselves. All right, so the ad revenue is going to be shared between you and this platform. That's how that's how the money is generated. Right, so all right guys, so what you want to do is you want to click on this sign up over here. All right, and then you're going to be prompted to register. I highly recommend using either Facebook or Google, as it really saves time. All right, otherwise you can just register with your email address, username, and so on and so forth. Once you do that, then you're going to get asked to choose one of the subscription. Now this might be a little bit of a catch for some of you guys, but don't freak out. All right, this is in order to get paid for views, you are going to need to sign up or subscribe for at least this £2 per month, which is maybe $3 a month. All right, in order to get paid for views. All right, otherwise the free option is no paid views. Now guys, I know this might be a little bit of a catch for you, that it's not completely free and so on and so forth, but listen guys, this is $3 per month. All right, you don't even know where the $3 are usually going, all right, in your monthly statements, and it is really worth, as you are going to get paid passively from this, all right, from these views. You're not going to even have to create your own photos, all right, so it is well worth it, all right. In worst case scenario, if you just want to try it out a little bit, you can try the free version, all right, for literally, which is free. Upload the photos, and when you will see that those photos are getting views, then you can sign up for this one, and thus you're going to see that, okay, this is actually worth it, all right, if you want. But at the same time, I highly recommend just going for it, because it's just $3 per month, you know, it even going to see it. Right now, guys, if you are somebody who has photos and you have a camera and you like taking pictures, go ahead, upload your pictures, all right, that's even better. But for those of you guys who are like me, who are not really, you know, photographers or anything like this, then, you know, this strategy with the Google Creative Commons licenses pictures is actually the best possible way how you can get paid on a passive income, you know, on a per month. All right, guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get tremendous value from it. I hope you see that this is actually really worth it, and it's actually really easy. You can do it, everybody can do it, all right? I hope so. If so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, if you will try it, how you will try it, what will you do. Let me know in the comment section below. I love to interact with you. And guys, if you are interested in how I make money online in affiliate marketing on a daily basis, again, I have the free video where I explain it in great detail and show you exactly what you need to do and how to do it, so you can build your own affiliate marketing business. If you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below, and I will see you inside of that video. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it and have a lovely day. I will see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.